Middleton homeowners know that seasonal changes bring a wide range of weather conditions. From cold, snowy winters to warm, sunny summers, your home's windows play a critical role in keeping your living spaces comfortable and protected year-round. Choosing the right windows isn't just about aesthetics, it's about performance, durability, and energy savings. If you're considering an upgrade, here are the best window choices for withstanding Middleton's seasonal weather. Double and triple pane windows for insulation when temperatures drop in Middleton. Single pane windows simply can't keep the cold out. Double and triple pane windows, however, create a barrier of insulation. How they work. These windows use 2 or 3 layers of glass with insulating gas, like argon or krypton, sealed in between. Seasonal benefit. In winter, they prevent heat from escaping. In summer, they keep hot air out. Why it matters. Better insulation reduces energy costs and keeps indoor temperatures consistent. Triple pane options are particularly effective if you want maximum energy efficiency and noise reduction. Low E glass for year-round efficiency. Low E. Low emissivity. Glass has a special coating that reflects heat while still allowing natural light to enter. Seasonal benefit. In the summer, it blocks UV rays and heat from the sun. In the winter, it reflects indoor heat back into your home. Extra protection. Low E glass also reduces fading of furniture, flooring, and curtains caused by sunlight exposure. For Middleton's varied seasons, Low E glass is one of the most effective upgrades for energy efficiency and comfort. Vinyl or fiberglass frames for durability. Window frames are just as important as the glass when it comes to withstanding seasonal changes. Vinyl frames. Affordable, low maintenance, and resistant to moisture, perfect for damp or snowy winters. Fiberglass frames. Extremely durable, resistant to warping, and strong enough to handle fluctuating temperatures. Both frame materials outperform traditional wood, which can swell, crack, or rot in Middleton's humid summers and cold winters. Casement windows for weather protection. Casement windows, hinged at the side and opening outward, create a tight seal when closed. Seasonal benefit. They are excellent at blocking drafts during Middleton's windy winters. Extra convenience. Casement windows also allow for great ventilation on mild spring and summer days. For homes in areas exposed to strong seasonal winds, casement windows are a practical, durable option. Impact-resistant glass for storm safety. Though not hurricane-prone, Middleton can experience strong storms with high winds. Impact-resistant glass adds another layer of protection. How it works. This glass includes a durable interlayer that prevents shattering upon impact. Benefit. Protects your home from storm debris while also improving security against break-ins. This option is especially valuable for homeowners who want peace of mind during unpredictable seasonal weather. Awning windows for rainy days. Awning windows, hinged at the top and opening outward, are designed to let in fresh air while keeping rain out. Seasonal benefit. They're particularly useful in Middleton's rainy seasons, allowing ventilation without the risk of water entering your home. Placement tip. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or basements where airflow is needed year-round. Professional installation matters. No matter which style or material you choose, proper installation is essential. Even the most energy-efficient windows won't perform as intended if they're not installed correctly. Professional installation ensures airtight seals to block drafts, proper insulation to handle temperature swings, long-lasting performance in all seasons. Final thoughts. Middleton's seasonal weather makes choosing the right windows a must for comfort, energy savings, and home protection. From double and triple pane glass to low E coatings, vinyl or fiberglass frames, and casement or awning designs, the right windows will keep your home comfortable no matter the season. By investing in durable, energy-efficient options and relying on professional installation, you'll not only withstand Middleton's changing weather but also boost your home's value and curb appeal. For homeowners ready to make their homes more resilient, Now is the perfect time to explore the best window choices for year-round performance.